Okay, I've got my level lock keypad here. It was brand new in the box, just received it from levellock.co, and you can see here nothing works. Any buttons that I push, nothing works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back off. You can see how the batteries were installed, which I confirmed is positive to positive, negative to negative. I'm going to take out those batteries, and I'm going to give it like 10 seconds. I don't know if I need to or not, but I figure there might be some time in getting it to reset itself. So, okay. So now, as you can see, the pins are on the bottom. I'm going to take them, insert them so that the positive is on the top. And I'm going to put back the little door on the back. Okay. And as you can see, nothing's lighting up. I guess there's supposed to be this check on the bottom is supposed to turn red. It doesn't do it. Nothing happens. Okay, so now I'm going to reopen the back. I'm going to take out these two batteries. I'm going to put them over here on the side. And I've got here a brand new thing of Duracell AAA batteries. So I'm going to grab two of those batteries. Okay. And again, we're going to see these are the needles sticking out of the bottom. So we're going to put that on the negative, positive up top, negative, positive up top. We're going to close this, turn it over, and as you can see, still nothing. No lights, no nothing. And this is the way it was right out of the box. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or whatever. But obviously, I look forward to hearing back from you as to how we could get this resolved. Thanks.